Can you see anything?
Pixie, she's just trying to sleep. See? Pixie, she's trying to sleep. Let her sleep. No, their eyes are not open. Look, you just can't leave her alone? No, I don't think she does. I'm not seeing like. She doesn't want to chase you. She doesn't want to play. She just wants to sleep. Cats like to sleep more than puppies. And if you bite her, she's gonna get mad. See?
She's gonna win.
Well, she's being nice. She's tolerating you. But you know, everybody has a limit on what they can stand.
I have my limit.
Okay, you woke her up. Okay. Now she's up. And she's gone. And she's in her chair where you can't get her. See? See? This is what happens when you're too aggressive. It makes people and cats not want to play.
I got it all to myself now.
Is this what you wanted? You wanted it all to yourself. Yeah. Okay. So, Pixie, look at the camera. Okay. Now what are you gonna do? You're just gonna lay there?
Yeah, I won.
Okay. You won. Okay. All right. Congratulations to the winner.